Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to undo not interested posts or videos on TikTok. So first thing first, let's say we simply undid this one, right? So I'm going to undo this exact post, not interested, and I'm going to give any reason. And once you're done, if you would like to undo this specific action, TikTok does not give you that action directly, but here is what you can do. So select three bar icon, go for settings and privacy. Here select content preferences. Select manage topics. And for example, you just want to undo the not interested on, let's say, fashion and beauty video, right? So you have to select see more and increase the intensity of it. Once done, save it. If it was fitness and health, see more, save it. And as you do that, the undo of not interested will work and you will still see the videos, but you will see it more often.